In this question, we're asked to find the probability of getting an A on the first spin and then getting a C on the second spin. So let's look at our first spin. For our first spin, we want to get an A. So our A is right here. Now we've only got one A out of all the sections here. So remember, for probability, we're looking at our favorable outcomes, which is 1, because we have one A, over the total possible outcomes, or in this case 6. So it's 1 over 6. So that's the probability of getting A on my first spin. On my second spin, I want the probability of getting a C. So I've got one C here, one C here, and one C here. So in this case, I've got 3 favorable outcomes, and again, there are a total of 6. So really, that 3 over 6 actually gives me a probability of 1/2 for getting a C on that second spin. Now, because these are independent events, meaning that the outcome of the first one doesn't affect the outcome of the second one, we're going to be multiplying those two together. So I would take a 1/6, multiply that by 1/2, multiplying the numerators I get 1, multiplying the denominators I get 12. So I have a 1 in 12 chance of spinning an A on the first spin and then getting a C on the second spin.